Hello, this is Peter from 1CNC UK, and in this video we're going to take a look at Pages. Pages is now built into all versions of the software, and even though Expert already has this feature, there are a few options that make it even better. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Pages. The first thing we need to do is select a page. So we're just going to go into Add a Page. These are all saved in the template section in 1CNC. So it's just a simple question of selecting the template of your choice and select OK. Then it's just add the views you require. Now, one of the enhancements in all versions is that we now have three options. We have wireframe options, model options, and a combination of both. So we'll start off with wireframe. We'll go with the top view. Obviously, you get a preview of what you're about to do, and then you simply add it to the page. And we'll just left click and place it there. We'll do a front view next. So again, we just simply left click. We'll add that to page. You'll notice how easy it is to snap these into alignment. We'll then go for a right hand view. Again, add to page. And left click. And we'll do a rendered view now. So we're going to go to model. Let's go for an isometric view. And again, we'll add that to page. And we'll close. What we can do now are the dimensioning. So we'll just go over into dimensions. We'll start off with a horizontal dimension. All of these symbols and sizes can be changed. If you're quite happy with the size, the symbols, you just simply disable show edit on create. And then we'll just go and put a few more dimensions on. So we'll go for a horizontal dimension again. We'll go for the center of the ball. We'll go with a vertical, and again, center of the ball. You can obviously add tolerances onto all of these dimensions, either while you're doing it, or you can add tolerances later. And we'll just put one diameter symbol on the hole. So there you have it, a very easy, quick and simple method of creating a 2D wireframe drawing of a solid model. If you make any amendments to the model, that will automatically update this page. So we'll just go through and show you how that's done. So we're just going to go back to our main page. We'll put a chamfer on this edge. So we're just going to go down to our fillet options. We'll select chamfer, quite happy with the distance of 5 mm, and we'll left click. And now we'll just add another hole. I'm just going to use the snap grid options for this one. Let's just say we're going to put a couple of holes in there and there. We'll just cut through the model at this point. So we're going to go to extrude cut. I'm just going to drag these through. And again, we'll just put a little break edge on the top. This time we'll just go for 0.5 of a mil. We'll select the top and the bottom of the holes and right hand mouse click. So now we've made the modifications, we'll go back into pages. And we'll simply update the page. And close. And now you can see all views, including the cross-sectionals and the isometric, have been updated. So a very quick, simple, powerful method of creating a 2D wireframe of a three-dimensional model. Another feature that's now available throughout the software is the ability to create a 3D PDF file. Now this comes in especially useful if you're handling sensitive documents and these cannot be handed over to customers without the correct authorization papers being signed. This just gives the customer the ability to overview the part to make sure if there's any features that he has any questions about, or even something just as simple as will the envelope of the part fit on his machine. So to create a 3D PDF, you can do it two ways. You can go File, Save As, and then just make sure you change the file type to a 3D PDF. Or you can go File, Export as a 3D PDF. We'll just export this one. I'm just going to save it onto the desktop and I'll overwrite the file that's already on there. So now it's just a question of opening this in Adobe Reader. Now Adobe Reader is a free download. You just need to make sure the Adobe Reader Acrobat is set to view 3D PDFs. As I already have my Adobe Reader open, I just simply need to double click on the sample file. Once the part's opened, as you can see, you can send the file in with critical dimensions already on, or Acrobat Reader has its own tools available so the customer can measure any critical parts. So a very quick and very easy way to send files over to a customer. Again, even if he hasn't got the ability of importing solid models, he can view the PDF file. I hope this has proved helpful. If you have any questions at all regarding Pages or any other features in XR9, please get in contact. 1CNC UK. Thank you very much. Goodbye.